Okay, that's done. So I think I'm going to put the baby in this little yellow pot. There's not much to it. I'm going to leave most of the soil, and I'm going to move the soil away from the center of the pot and just put it in on its side, because that's how it's coming out from the main leaf. Here it is. And as I hold it up, I'm going to bring the soil around gently, always gently. It's always good to not be in a hurry when you do this. Make sure it's as upright as possible, pushing the soil against the base of the baby plant. And then I'll add more soil to it after. So there's the first one. And I'll take this little green pot, do the same thing. Make a space in soil. And I think I'll put this one in there. Bring the soil in. Add a little more of this. You can use the pieces of peat pot because they have some nutrition and organic matter to offer the plants. And there's that one. Looks pretty healthy, doesn't it? So I'll put that one there, and I think I'll put the last two in this beautiful pot my neighbor gave me for my birthday last week. I think I'll put these two in there and see what happens. So one hole for this one. When the soil dries on the leaves, I'll brush it off with a soft paintbrush. In it goes, right up to the base of the leaves. And the last one, which has quite a bit of soil, but I don't want to disturb it, so there it goes. And I'll do the same for that one. Bring the soil right up to the base of the leaves. So there it is. There they are. Next generation of African violets. 4 plants from one mother. I'll keep you posted as to how they're doing. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and thanks for watching.